Good morning, all of you. So today I'm going to start the last topic of your chapter, that is unemployment, and I'll have to do measures to remove unemployment. Is it clear? Now, measures to remove unemployment, government adopt two types of measures. One measure which is called short-term measures, one measure which is called long-term measures. Okay. Now, for long-term, the long-term measures to remove unemployment actually aims to remove unemployment permanently from the country, and short-term measures are those measures of unemployment which actually tries to give maximum employment opportunities in the short run. Is it clear? So the short run measures and the long run measures, the nature are very different from each other, and I have just now told you the nature of the short run measures. Under short run measures, those who are the unemployed people in the country, government try to provide them the employment opportunities at least few working days in a year, by starting various kinds of the program, like all those programs you people have studied in poverty chapter, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, National Employment Guarantee Yojana, okay, Pradhan Mantri Swarojgar Yojana. There are several kinds of the program which the government start under short term, so like Narega, Manrega, okay, many kinds of the program government start to provide the employment opportunities to maximum number of people. But long-term measures are different from short-term measures. Under long-term measures, government don't, initiate any program, or government don't start any project. Under long-term measures, government try to solve the problem of unemployment permanently from the country. So it focus to increase the rate of economic growth, okay, it focus to increase investment in the country, it focus to develop the agricultural sector, it try to establish industries in the rural area, okay, several kinds of the methods government of India adopt so that the problem of unemployment can be sorted permanently from the country. And the aim of the government to solve the problem of unemployment permanently from the country, government adopt long-term measures. Is it clear to all of you? So all of you write down in the copy, measures to remove unemployment. All of you write down in your copy, measures to remove unemployment. Under this you write, to remove unemployment, Government of India adopt two kinds of the measures. I am repeating again, to remove unemployment, government adopt two kinds of measures. Two kinds of measures. Give a dash and write number one, short-term measures, and number two, long-term measures. Number one, short-term measures, and number two, long-term measures. Is it clear? Okay. Now write on the first heading, short-term measures. Short-term measures. Under this you write, under the short-term measures, the government tries to provide employment opportunities to maximum unemployed people by adopting various programs. Under short-term measures, government tries to provide employment opportunity to large number of unemployed people by starting various programs. By starting various programs. After full stop you write, some of the special programs started by the government to provide some of the special program started by the government to provide employment opportunities are, number one, Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana, number two, Employment Assurance Scheme, number three, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, number 4, the Swarna Jayanti Sehri Rozgar Yojana, number 5, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. Number 6, Pradhan Mantri Rojgar Yojana. Number 7, Manrega, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. And number 8, Skill Development and Employment. Skill Development and, so these are, I gave you the name of 8 programs. And frequently government keep on, starting the program so that government can provide maximum employment to the maximum number of unemployed people. These program comes under short-term measures. Is it clear now? We are going to do next, that is called long-term measures. So write down next heading, long-term measures. Right. To solve the problem of unemployment permanently from the country, permanently from the country, Government of India adopt various long-term measures. Government of India adopt various long-term measures which are mentioned below. Okay, so write down number 1. Number 1, first long-term measure, high rate of economic growth. High rate of economic growth. Okay, now try to understand this point. As I told you, when rate of economic growth will increase, production in the country will increase. And if production in the country will increase, then it will increase the demand for laborers and it will create the employment opportunities in the country. Okay, so to create more and more employment opportunities in the country, Government of India will focus to increase the rate of economic growth, which is the first long-term measure government adopt to solve the problem of unemployment. Okay, so write down the first point, high rate of economic growth. Under this, write, rate of economic growth is one of the most important factor. Rate of economic growth is one of the important factor on which the employment opportunities in the country depends. On which the employment opportunities in the country depends. Full stop. Then write, if the rate of economic growth will be high, then there will be more and more creation of job opportunities. Full stop. That is why the Government of India took necessary step to increase the rate of economic growth, which in turn leads to the creation of more and more employment opportunities. Full stop. And this way, the problem of unemployment can be solved. Can be solved. Full stop. Then write, to increase the economic growth, government take following steps. To increase the economic growth, government take following steps. Okay, number 1 point we are continuing. Number 1, government tries to increase economic growth of those sectors which have high employment potential. Government tries to increase the economic growth of those sectors which have high employment potential. First point. Second, government will use those production technique. Government will use those production technique which have high employment potential. Which have high employment potential. And the third one, government will use its fiscal, FISCAL, government will use its fiscal and monetary policies to encourage the growth of different sectors so that the problem of unemployment can be solved. So that the problem of unemployment can be solved. Full stop. So these are the 3 steps government will take. Okay, what is the first step? Government will try to increase the economic growth of those sectors which create more employment opportunity. Which are those sectors? Industrial sector, service sector. Is it clear? So government will focus on it, and that's what the government of India is doing. Since independence till today, government is trying to focus to make our country, the government has adopted the process of industrialization, because government knows if more and more industries will be established, then there will be more and more creation of job opportunities. Is it clear? So to increase the economic growth, it will take the first necessary step, that it will increase the economic growth of those sectors which will generate more employment opportunity. Similarly, it will use those production technique which will generate more employment opportunity. Similarly, it will adopt its 2 important policies. What are the 2 important policies of the government? Fiscal policy and monetary policy. Government will use so that there will be more and more creation of employment opportunity. Is it clear? So first long-term measures we have completed, that is called high rate of economic growth. Okay, now write on the second one. Number 2. Increasing investment. Increasing investment. First write down that how investment solves the problem of unemployment. So write down, massive investment can help in creating a large number of job opportunities. Massive investment can help in creating a large number of job opportunities and will help in reducing the problem of unemployment. Full stop. Then write, keeping in mind this, comma, the government of India will take necessary steps so that investment can be increased. Full stop. Then, government itself will do investment in road building, comma, bridge building, comma, construction of houses and schools, comma, flood control and development of irrigation project, comma, transport activities, etc., which will generate employment opportunities and will solve the problem of unemployment. Full stop. Is it clear? So, one thing you need to know, why government will focus to increase investment? Because government knows that massive investment will help to create more employment opportunities and will help to reduce the problem of unemployment. That is why government itself will increase the investment. Where it will increase the investment? It will start road building, it will start bridge building, it will start construction of houses and school, it will work for flood control and development. All these kinds of the investment done by the government will help to increase employment opportunities, which will help to reduce the problem of unemployment. Is it clear to all of you? So that is the second point. Now write on the third point. Development of agricultural sector. You know that India is an agricultural economy. India has an agricultural economy. And we have studied several kinds of unemployment exist in agricultural sector. We have studied disguised unemployment, seasonal unemployment, educated unemployment, underemployment. Means the kind of the unemployment which exists in agricultural sector is actually not countable, is actually not visible. That is the more serious problem. Is it clear to all of you? So that is why to solve the problem of disguised unemployment, to solve the problem of seasonal unemployment, Government of India focused to increase the development of agricultural sector so that the seasonal unemployment problem or disguised unemployment problem or educated or underemployment problem can be sorted out from agricultural sector. So to increase the development of agricultural sector, government take various steps like government has, produced high value and highly labor intensive crop. Government has introduced animal husbandry and fishery in agricultural sector. For rural development, government has started various projects like irrigation project, drainage project, construction of rural roads, etc. To develop agricultural sector, government encouraged the use of labor intensive techniques. So several kinds of the measures Government of India has adopted so that the problem of unemployment can be solved from agricultural sector. So that is the third measure. That is the third measure, which is called development of agricultural sector, children. Okay, so write down third point, development of agricultural sector. Under this you write, Government of India undertake comprehensive program. Government of India undertake comprehensive program for the development of agriculture and its allied activities. Government of India undertake a comprehensive program for the development of agricultural sector and its allied activities so as to solve the problem of disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. So as to solve the problem of disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. Full stop. Some of the measures taken by the government to develop agricultural sector are mentioned below. To develop agricultural sector are mentioned below. Okay, write down one by one. Number one, Government of India has encouraged the high value and highly labor intensive crops, such as vegetable and fruits production. Okay, so Government of India, apart from the cultivation of only wheat, rice, pulses, has also encouraged the cropping of vegetable and fruits so that other activities can also develop in agricultural sector. First step. Second step, Government of India has introduced animal husbandry and fishery activities in agricultural sector. Full stop. This will generate alternative employment opportunities in agricultural sector. Full stop. Third measure under the development. Many rural development projects such as small and medium irrigation project, drainage work, construction of rural roads, etc. are being started by the government. Fourth point. Next. Use of labor intensive technique wherever possible in agricultural sector is being encouraged by the government. Last point. Various social services such as education, housing, health services are being provided by the Government of India in the agricultural sector, which will help to solve the problem of educated unemployment. Okay, so these are the various measures which the Government of India has taken to develop the agricultural sector, and development of agricultural sector will help to create more employment opportunities in the country and will help to solve the problem of unemployment in the country. Is it clear? Okay. So these are the 3 points I've completed today of the long-term measures. In my next video, I'm going to complete the other points, okay, which are the part of the long-term measures. Okay, children? So please, when I'm giving the video, in the video, I'm giving you the notes also, so complete the notes in your copy, children. Okay? So for today only this much. Thank you, children.